14.90. A buffer solution is prepared from equal volumes of 0.200 molarity of acetic acid and 0.600 molarity of sodium acetate. Use 1.80 times 10 to the negative fifth as the Ka for acetic acid, and then letter A. What is the pH of the solution? Okay, so they gave us some molarity values here. We have a 0.2 molar acetic acid solution and a 0.6 molar sodium acetate solution. And they told us that it's a buffer, and they're asking for the pH. When you're seeing that we're dealing with buffers and they're asking for the pH, the easiest way to do this problem is to just use the Henderson-Hasselbach equation, which is this one right here. Maybe I'll make this a little bit bigger, and I'll put this over here because we have to use this for letter A. Okay. So we're looking for the pH, right? The Henderson-Hasselbach is pH equals pKa plus the log of the concentration of the base divided by the acid. So we're solving for the pH, which means that we should know the pKa and the base and the acid concentrations. So let's just start with the pKa value. They did tell us that we were going to use 1.80 times 10 to the negative fifth as the Ka. So if we have a Ka value of 1.80 times 10 to the negative fifth, how am I going to get to the pKa? Well, that's this formula right here. pKa equals the negative log of the Ka equation. And if I can just maybe zoom this up here, get rid of this, I can say that all I got to do is just import that 1.80 times 10 to the negative fifth in here. pKa equals the negative log of the 1.80 times 10 to the negative fifth. So pKa equals, let's see, negative log 1.8 times 10 to the negative fifth. And let's just extend it a couple of decimals, 4.745. And that's the number that goes here. Okay, now I need to know the concentration of the base and the acid. It's beautiful because they did give me the concentration of the, of one thing and then the other. But the thing is that we have to figure out which one is the acid and which one is the base. Well, they did say that this was acetic acid. So if we didn't know what acetic acid even looked like, it was an acid, so this has to be the acid. Which means that sodium acetate, if we don't know, just know that if you pick one as one, the other one has to be the other. Now, technically, sodium acetate is a salt, but the acetate ion is the basic property, but you don't need to know that in order to answer the question. So just as long as you can pick the correct numbers, because the numbers are going to be what they are. So the acid value is going to be the 0.200 molarity, and the base value is going to be the 0.600 molarity. Cool. So let's figure it out. pH equals 4.745 plus the log of the base divided by the acid, so the 0.600 divided by the acid, 0.200, and we could find out the pH. You could do this all in one shot into your calculator, or if you want to do the log, figure out what that number is, and then just plus it to the 4.745. But either way, I'm just going to get the pH value. So I'm just going to do log 0.6 divided by 0.2, and then I'm going to add that to 4.745. And I guess, let's see, 3 sig figs, 3 sig figs, 3 sig figs. So I think technically pH is a little bit weird, but I think for sig fig purposes, you need 3 sig figs after the decimal. So I'm just going to say 5.222. No units for pH, And that's the answer for the first part. That's A. Now B comes an easy one. B says, is the solution acidic or basic? All you got to do is just look at that pH value. Just know that if you're below 7, you are acidic on the pH scale. And if you're above 7, you are basic. And if you are exactly 7, you're neutral. So since 5.222 is lower than 7, this would be classified as acidic. And maybe I'll highlight that. And that's the answer there. So A and B are done. Hang tight if you guys are on the playlist because there's part C coming up. And then we're done with this question. So hang tight. We will answer it in a little bit. And if you wouldn't mind, press the subscribe button, please. Thank you so much for that. Just to support us out. And yeah, I'll see you in a little bit. Bye-bye.